test your English listening and spelling with this 5-minute quiz I've prepared for you. Hi, my name is Lisa Joy and I'm an English tutor at Masterlingua. So, you're about to initiate a quiz and you will have to decide which word is correct. Option A or option B. Ideally, you should have an answer before the time is up. This quiz contains 10 questions and for each correct answer you will score 1 point. It's a good idea to type your answers in the comment box below. This way I can see how you did on the test. Oh, and here's a mega clue that will help you in the quiz. All the answers are homophones. This means these are words that have another word with the same pronunciation but different meanings and spelling. Sounds a little confusing? Here are a few examples. Hi and hi. No and no. Now you remember what homophones are. Let's start the quiz. Are you ready? Here's question number 1. They walked the whole park together. Did you get it right? If you did, congratulations! Give yourself 1 point. He dropped a piece of paper on the floor. They make a great couple. Their personalities are a great complement to one another. Compliment and compliments. These are tricky. Here's a quick tip for you to never fail this one. Compliment with E looks a little like the word complete. And a compliment is something that completes. Now, compliment with I means to say something admiring to someone. I caught a big fish yesterday with my bare hands. I meant bare hands, not bare hands. My hands are only tiny. Will that be a vain hope? Another tricky one. The word vain is not only a homophone of the word vain, but it also has a double meaning. Vain can mean having or showing an excessively high opinion of one's appearance, abilities, or worth. And on the other side, it also means producing no result, useless. In this sentence, we understand that the word vain means useless. Will that be a useless hope? There is a knot in her hair. In English, every time you have the letters K and N at the beginning of a word, the letter K remains silent. For example, no, knee, knife. Jogging is good for my soul. But to jog, I recommend you use a good sole. Let's spice things up a little bit more. In questions 8 and 9, there will be 2 words missing. Therefore, please score yourself half a point for each correct answer. My cat was crazily chasing his tail while I was reading a fairy tale to my children. There is no right way to write a great novel. A complete Finnish document was published in Stockholm. Finnish is the language and nationality of people from Finland. And remember that in English, nationalities and languages require a capital letter. And the quiz is now finished. How many points did you get? Do you find English homophones challenging? I personally think that they are. But do not get discouraged and continue practicing. Practice makes progress. Did you enjoy taking this quiz? If you did, please let me know so I can prepare more videos like this one. Oh, and don't forget to type down your score below in the comment box. In the meantime, take care and bye for now.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.